To clean or replace the air filter on your RZR XP, follow these steps. Park the vehicle on a flat level surface and ensure it is in park. On a 2-seater, remove both seats. For a 4-passenger, remove the rear seats. Then remove the access panel by turning the 4 quarter-turn latches and set aside. Next, clean any dirt or debris from the airbox area. Locate and unlatch the 5 airbox cover clips and carefully remove the airbox cover. Next, remove the air filter by pulling toward the passenger side of the vehicle. With the filter removed, inspect the air filter and replace if necessary. Next, check the airbox cover seal. Before continuing, clean the intake and airbox thoroughly with a clean, dry cloth. Then reinstall the air filter if clean, or install a new air filter if dirty, and ensure it is fully seated. Do not attempt to clean the air filter. After this, reinstall the airbox cover and ensure the tabs are aligned and locked in place. Then secure the 5 cover clips. Then reinstall the access panel and ensure all the quarter-turn latches are secure. Finally, reinstall the seats by aligning the front tabs under the retainer bar and pressing down in the rear to engage the latch. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.